So your browser camera access is blocked. How do you fix it? Open up whichever browser you have, and in this case, I'm going to show you in Google Chrome, but the steps pretty much the same. And I'm going to open up, for example, Edge and show you how to check that in Microsoft Edge as well. So let me just start with Edge, being that I have it open up right here. So in Edge, for example, you click the three dots on the upper right, and you want to go down to settings. From here, you want to look for where it says privacy and security. In this case, you can see privacy on the left side. It's privacy search and services. So basically, it's similar. And from here, you want to look for where it shows site permissions or something like that. So you look for permissions, you click on that. And from here, you can see all site permissions or all permissions. And you will be able to see, for example, in the list, it is showing camera. And so in this case, here is showing ask first. That completely means that it's enabled, but in other case, it could say not allowed or something like that, right? Or it could be turned off or something like that. And so will is not on, for example, for the camera, because you could see that it says blocked. And so you'd be able to allow it or enable it, for example, in this Edge browser. Now let's go back to Chrome as another option right here. I'm going to go ahead and go to Chrome. Now, in Chrome, if you're on a particular website, I'm going to say Omi TV as an example. Let's try that. If you're on a particular website or a website that actually uses your camera, you will see right away on the upper left that it could show your site settings, and you can click there and you can enable the camera. So here you can see mine is enabled, but if it's turned off or blocked, it will look something like that. Let's leave it like that. Now, as I said, the steps are pretty much same in a general sense. So in this case, I'm going to click three dots on the upper right, go to the settings. Now look for privacy and security right here on the left. Find site settings and scroll down under the permissions, and I will find camera. Here you can see it shows basically the same thing. Don't allow site to use this camera. Simply means that the camera access is blocked. And so we want to click here and enable it right here under the behavior, the default behavior. And also ensure that the right camera is selected right there as well. And once you do that, that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy, very simple.